Okay, let's try this permutation exam. Question 1. It says 7 cars are to be parked in a straight line. There's three silver cars. So there's 3 different types of silver cars. So it could be silver car 1, 2, and 3. Anyways, 3 silver cars. And how many different ways can all the cars be parked? Well, the first question in these permutation thing is so easy. Well, 7 cars means 7 different cars. I like to use boxes. So what I do to get started is I write out 7 boxes. Now, if I'm parking the cars, to go in parking spot number 1, I've got 7 choices. Then 6, then 5, then 4. Once I park 6 cars, I only have 1 choice less. It's so easy to think about it as choices and put in boxes. It makes it so much easier to do. So what's the answer going to be? 7 factorial. You put a 7, shift, and find that little excited button that means 7 times 6 all the way down to 1. The answer is 5,040, the easiest 1 or 2 marks you can get. Now, here's the part that's a little bit trickier, and this comes up like this. It says, if the 3 silver cars must be parked next to each other. Now, what I do is I take 3 of the boxes and I tie them up together because they have to be next to each other. But they could be parked on this end. They could be in slot 2, 3, and 4. They just have to be parked together. But they kind of count as 1 choice. So because there's 7 cars, there's 4 cars here that you could park in any way, and the silver cars count as 1 choice. But you have to think there are 3 different silver cars, so how many ways can you park 3 cars? And that's how you know that you've got 3 factorial here, 3 factorial here for the silver cars, and you treat the silver cars as 1 choice. But then you've got 4 others plus the silver cars, that's 5 factorial. So you've got this many choices, and plus you can arrange the silver cars in 6 different ways. You just times them all together, and that's how you get your answer, is 720. And that's how you do it. I find it so much easier. There are other ways to do it, but this is, for me, by far the easiest way. Just put down the boxes and think about choices. 5 factorial ways to arrange all the cars, and 3 factorial for the silver cars. Multiply it together, and there you go.